Okay, this is the 2011 Forest River Sierra. Floor plan is a 29B. I just wanted to give you a quick live look at it. I am going to apologize for the mess, but we are in the middle of doing all the checks that we go through. When we put a coach out, we go through all the major systems, slides, electrical. So it's a little bit, it's got some technicians working on it, but at least wanted to give you an idea of some of the features and benefits that this particular coach has. Being two slides, with one of those slides being in the rear, it not only helps you with the weight, but that extra room in the back is a great area for kids to play as well. Now, as you can see, the dry weight on this coach is 7551 as it comes to us. Those are your propane tanks up front. You get some exterior LED lights on the front, which are nice if you're hooking or unhooking at night. Coming around the side here, you'll see you'll have a full pass-through, fully covered, carpeted, insulated storage with lights on both sides. There's also a cable outlet and a plug on the other side there for you in case you wanted to hook up an exterior mounted TV as well. So just flowing around the side here in the back, that is your main slide, which is extended. This is a 50 amp service coach, which is also a nice benefit as well. And that is your wet bay. Inside there you got your winterizing system, hot water heater valve system. There's also an LED light as well. Black water flush, fresh water connection. And again, a 50 amp service, which is nice on a trailer. You don't typically see that. Now this is your bedroom slide, and it is in right now. That's part of what they're working on. As you can see in the back, LED lights in the back, satellite dish hookups, and part cable hookups as well. So this is the back end bunk portion. And moving around to the side, it's two doors, automatic awning. This is the toilet side, rear bath or main bath, but in the rear. What's nice about that is if the kids are coming in and they're wet, they can get right into the coach without going all the way through the coach to get to the bathroom. Exterior speakers, as you can see. This is an Aluma structure vacuum bonded frame, and it is a one-touch automatic awning as well. We enter the coach, you've got your main panels right there on the wall. Moving into the bedroom, you get closets on both sides with electrical plug-ins and storage above. Dreamscape Serta queen mattress. And then of course TV plugs there where you could mount a wall TV. Now this coach has got a really large entertainment area sofa. The table is stored below in the storage underneath the cushions there. And that's looking back into the bunk area. Your main galley with residential style faucets. An oven with hood and microwave. Dometic gas and electric fridge. Then you have your main sink here. Again with toilet and shower on the other side. exhaust fan as well. And then this is back into that bunk room. So this has a separate door. As you can see, you get lights, top bunk and wider bottom bunk as well. And when that slide goes out, you can pretty much see the depth of that slide. When that slide wall goes out, this entire floor area down below opens up. So what you end up is a nice play area for younger children, or just an extra room, and wall mounts for the TV there as well. Nice flat screen TV there above with AM, FM, and CD player below. And again, just a look at that very large family style U-shaped dinette. Speakers in the ceiling, AC ductwork in the ceiling, and just a really nice offering by Sierra. I hope that gives you a good look at the interior of the coach. Again, I do apologize for the little bit of mess, but we are in the middle of prepping it. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.